the dragon's breath. So we are right here. You will be eating a food, and once you eat the food, you will breathe smoke. Ay, si Gab-Gab. Hindi siya tayo, sabat siya. Wag yan, hilaw yan!
Mom, say sorry.
Ay, oh, dragon na tayo naman siya. Pila ni dragon fruit?
I like that. Cold. Mom. Wow.
Sige, dalawang steak. Tatlong steak na lang. Hey guys, ito na yung sabi nilang, ewan ko, dragon ano daw. Dragon food. Masih maulog. Gab! Gab! Hey guys, we're eating na the dragon.
Mamita!
Dito daw ba lang?
Mommy!
Huh?
Mommy! Mommy!
Oh, Gab will try the dragon food. Ayun o, the dragon food. Oh, you try the dragon food.
No.
Ayaw niya. Sige, Lolo. Dali.
I need to see it.
Oh, wag go! Oh, strawberry. That is a strawberry coated.
This one. I'll give it to Tito Claus.
Wala gaso. Where's the dragon? Wala. Okay. Gab-Gab bought a dino balloon. Wow. Yay! Dino balloon. Hey, Gab, where's your balloon? Whoa. Can I borrow your dino balloon? Gab, wait for me.